This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make rice noodles soup-only way. Begin by gathering rice noodles, a clear broth, garlic, ginger, scallions, cilantro, lime, and your choice of protein. Soak noodles briefly if needed and have all toppings ready. We will build flavor slowly, taste often, and finish with fresh herbs and acid to brighten the bowl. Stay relaxed and enjoy the process from start to slurp. Choose a clear, fragrant broth as your foundation and build layers gently. Simmer bones or vegetables with garlic and ginger for a clean taste, then strain for clarity. Taste and season slowly with salt and a dash of soy or fish sauce, adjusting to your preference. A bright squeeze of lime at the end lifts the whole bowl and balances richness with fresh, vibrant notes for a comforting finish. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for cozy, durable kitchen where that lasts through endless cooking sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab a pair. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Handle rice noodles carefully. Cook briefly until just tender, rinse to prevent sticking, then reheat in hot broth for perfect texture. Thinly slice your protein so it warms through without becoming rubbery. Layer herbs, lime, chili, and crunchy elements like toasted shallots for brightness and contrast. Assemble each bowl with care, pouring hot broth last to unite flavors, and always taste a spoonful before serving to adjust final seasoning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.